Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkulisokha. Uyaya Sithole bafethu usesayine i-contract entsha laphana ePortugal. Sikhumbule ukuthi leli i-target le-Kaizer Chiefs elikhulu. Akusho ukuthi bam-offer into ehlakaniphile just before aya ku-AFCON. Yabona ukuthi bahlakaniphe kanjani laphana ePortugal. Just before aya ku-AFCON bayazi ukuthi ku-AFCON waphefoma kahle kakhulu, bazokwazi ukumthengisa ngemali ethe xaxa, yabo. So even if i-Kaizer Chiefs lesi iyamfuna serious, kumele ikhiphe imali serious because of bayi-renewile i-contract yakhe. I'm sure bam-offer i-deal naye bekabona ukuthi ngeke ayi-turn it down, but they're looking obviously to make money out of le deal le, ukuthi i-team ezoza say January or end of June after AFCON ekwazi ukukhipha imali serious ngempela. I-question ukuthi uzoyaphi Uyaya Sithole, because of I remember Uyaya Sithole maningi ama-teams wamfuna just before i-injury bafethu. It was a matter of yena ukuthi beka-choose i-next destination yakhe, and then leya injury leya stoppa everything, naye bekathi i-career yakhe iphelile. Can Kaizer Chiefs go all out lese bakhiphe more than 10 million ukuthi umfana bamthole? Asazi. I don't think bazoyikhipha leyo mali leyo at the moment bafethu. They would rather go for abanye abantu engathi ba-cheap kancane, or abantu abama-free agent, because bakhona abantu abafana nabo-Phiri abangakhompyutha laphana nomthetho. At the same time uMthiyane lo bengikhuluma ngabi izolo labantu laba bawu-3 naye ukhona is not available on the market, but-ke umuntu when the offer, a sizable offer is good, and then uyakwazi ukuyishiya i-team yakhe bafowethu. I think Chiefs, they have to look somewhere else in terms of like trying to get ilokunjana bafowethu, a different midfielder or defensive midfielder. Uyaya Sithole, you can be available but uzoba expensive kakhulu umfana bafowethu. Indaba ezi-exciting akusiwuye kuphela, or Bekezele Mbokazi bese sikhulumile ngayo Rile Mfuke, engasazi ukuthi indaba yakhe izophelela laphi, but asibuyele kweze-Kaizer Chiefs bafowethu. Ulo ubani uPaul Endlanya, niyamkhumbula bafowethu, owayedlala naye laphana kudala sometime ago, siyamazi ukuthi wayedume kakhulu. Naye ukhomentile nge-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu ukuthi ku-careful Confederations Cup izinto zihamba kanjani. Uthi-ke le ndaba lokuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ithatha amagame lesi ewabeke laphana ePolokwane, maybe indaba e-affecte i-Chiefs ukuthi lesi ingathola ama-results, izinto ezinjalo, bekusha abantu, but yena mekhomenta uthi akacabangi ukuthi into wrong ukuthi lese i-Kaizer Chiefs ithatha amagame wabeke outside eJohannesburg. Uthi ucabanga ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ithatha amagame wabeke different places because of they wanna bring ilokhunjani ama-games to abantu, ukuthi abantu bakwazi ukuyibukela i-Kaizer Chiefs. Uthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ithandwa abantu abaningi kakhulu, so ukuthatha igame bayise ePolokwane or eDurban i-idea egood. Uthi obviously ibhola like it's a different ball game, ungawina nanoma ikuphi la udlala khona. It's not a question ukuthi useJoburg uzowina, no, uthi hayi izinto azihambi kanjalo. Ungawina nanoma ikuphi, kusho ukuthi kuya ngokumisela nje kuphela lapha inside the field of play. But to be honest, ePolokwane people didn't come in big numbers, like let's say they would have come or they came in lokunjana in Dobsonville. So ama-venues kumele babe calculative. That is why kungekho viable for i-Chiefs ukuthi idlale bafethu ama-CAF games ku-FNB. It's not gonna work, because akekho umuntu ozogcwalisa i-FNB, let's say ingeke igcwale i-FNB ku-CAF bafethu, unless maybe i-Chiefs idlale i-final ye-CAF, maybe-ke lapho igame ingagcwala, but kulama-games lawa nje ngeke igcwale. Because I remember I was at FNB laphana kudlala igame eCabo Scope, but-ke the FNB was not full, was not even half, was not even 20% of the capacity. It was just maybe 10% or so, or even less than 10%. So yazi lento le ishiwo uPaul Endlanya bafethu, Paul Endlanya, ukuthi it's not a matter ukuthi badlala kuphi, bangawina everywhere, but i-atmosphere bafethu ibaluleke kakhulu ukuthi udlala kuphi. If udlala e-stadium esigcwele and then ama-fans are behind wena, uba nayo leyo nto le extra umfunyane yokuthi uphushe. But if udlala e-stadium esi-empty noma esingagcwelanga ngaleyo ndlela leyo, you don't feel the buzz around wena. So sometimes leyo nto leyo ayigaya ama-player noma inika ama-player i-spirit, yabo. So I wanna also talk about I'm seeing online abanye abantu bathi uRonwen Williams sekayodlala i-CAF yes-3 noma i-AFCON yes-3, so is way better than uTumele Nkhune. Abantu bajaji ibhola ngama-stats. It's okay, mawujaja ngama-stats, maybe you can say okay fine, but based on i-talent uTumele Nkhune is by far better than uRonwen Williams bafethu. Mina I've never seen a goalkeeper talented eSouth Africa njengoTumele Nkhune. I'm still looking for that goalkeeper, maybe akakazalwa futhi naye. But inkinga kaTumeleng Khune ngeke ngayisho lento le, into eyambulala last 5 years of i-career yakhe waphenduka isaka. Sazi ukuthi kwakwenzakalani, ngeke ngikhulume izinto zakhe ezipersonal because of ezinye I was close to i-player elalidlalela i-Chiefs, belumngani kaTumeleng Khune. So ngeke ngikhulume ezinye izinto ezipersonal, but-ke because of izinto outside impilo yakhe out engaphandle ya-affect igame yakhe, waphenduka nje umqubi uTumeleng Khune. Sazibuza ukuthi kanjani, because of the first introduction yakhe. I think for 10 years uTumeleng Khune was the best goalkeeper I've seen, and then after lokho uma uzomjaja nge-last 5 years yakhe vele hhayi, but uma uzomjaja just based on i-talent lakhe bafethu, for me uTumeleng Khune is the greatest goalkeeper I've seen in South Africa. I remember ama-glimpse ka-Brian Baloyi because of ama-reflexes. In terms just ama-reflexes, I would even say Brian Baloyi is better than Ronan Williams. But in terms of ama-achievement, Ronan Williams obviously ubashaya bonke. Bonke ugoalkeeper base-South Africa ngama-achievements. Akekho close. Maybe ngama-stats, maybe even ngama-stats, izinto ezinjalo, maybe angabashaya, yabo. But masiya ku-talent. So I think kubalulekile ukuthi sibheke like masizoqhathanisa abantu sibheke ukuthi okay, is it better because of udlale inini wenze inini u-achieve-ni? Is it better because of ama-clean sheets wakhe? Ngathola ukuthi akekho better on average because of kumele sibale ama-game ukuthi udlala ungakhi nama-clean sheets compared to amagoli abawa-concedile, izinto ezinjalo. Futhi maningi ama-factors okubheka. Mina I grew up supporting uRonaldo bafethu, Cristiano Ronaldo. I watched him go Manchester United. I was like, no one is bigger and better than this guy. Yabo? And I was convinced. And even when I saw Messi, I was like, Messi akana chance. Because of benginothando la ka-Ronaldo, right? But ngambukela uMessi. Ngaze ngamvuma. Because ngabona ukuthi uthando ngilibekele uthando esayidini ngibukele just based on pure football. Messi is far better than uRonaldo in terms of just ibhola. Abukela ibhola. Ukhohlwa ama-stats, ukhohlwe nanokuthi uMessi win i-World Cup, ubukele lo Messi mina engambukela. I think abantu even ne-World Cup 2022 bekungasase uMessi lo esambona. Lo muntu lona wayesiphilisa kabuhlungu bafowethu. Hhayi, uhlukumezile ngaze uzuvuma usho ukuthi yazini uMessi beka-strong ngempela. So asingajaji based on ukufavor, asijaje based on i-talent. Uyambona umuntu ogude bafowethu, akumelanga ubuze osibanibani ubheke ama-stats usilethele inini. Umuntu obhetha nanomunye umuntu uyambona uma ubukela igame. But I think i-problem yethu or i-problem manje ama-2000 arun izinto lesiyarana wonke lama-pages lawa. I'm sure o-Kick-Off, o-Soccer Laduma, o-Soccer bani baqasha ama-2000. Thola ukuthi baqasha umuntu ona-20. I remember meeting this lady because of bengisebenzela ngayisho le publication le because of i-reporter zonke le indaba lezi zase-South Africa. Besebenzela yona. You know, umuntu bekuthola indaba and then azibhala bokuwumuntu ona-19 at the time. Wazini lowo muntu lo ona-19 because ayikho into ayibukelile. And then naye kumele ede opinion yakhe, as-curate i-story different. And then leyo nto leyo izobhala izokhishwa leyo publication ebhalwe umuntu ona-19 ona-20. Kuzoba i-gospel truth because of ibhalwe i-publication abantu abayithembayo, yabo. So iyo-ke inkinga enkulu bafethu. I wish abantu bayazazi lezi zinto lezi, but-ke ezinye izinto zigcine zingafikanga ebantwini. Cela ukuyibamba lana okwamanje bafethu. Danko, cela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, making sure ukuthi i-page ilifika ku-15,000 subscribers.